Hi everyone, it's Taz. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. If you're new here, please check out my other tutorial videos, and if you like what you see, please hit that like, share and subscribe buttons and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Now today I'm super excited to present to you this textured gel gloss piece that I made. It's my first time trying out this technique with these type of petals. I'm collaborating with this wonderful friend called Betty from Oak by Betina, and she's just awesome at texture paste. A big shout out to my channel members, thank you for supporting me. Before I forget, here are some discount codes for colour art, resiners and APS foils should you want to save some money on art supplies, as I'm an affiliate. So I'll be trying out my golden gel gloss medium. This is extra heavy body gel gloss and it's the first time I've tried this technique with this product. I'm going to be mixing that with my acrylic paint on a 10 by 10 centimeter canvas on which I've done a pearl pour. So here are my colours. They're down in the description box below. I've got phthalo green and cadmium green. I'm just going to draw a small circle around to give me some guidelines as to where to place my petals, but I might not actually follow it. So here I am mixing up my paste, and it's not the same as previous pastes I've used. It's slightly more stickier, I found, and I wonder how this is going to turn out. It is a complete experiment. I've not done this before with this particular product, so I'm going to mix that up and look at the consistency of that. It's very thick, it's extra heavy. So I'm going to then create my leaves with this on top of my small canvas, and I'm going to create quite large leaves. I'm adding a little bit of lamp black from Amsterdam just to give it a bit more interest there. I probably add a little bit too much, to be honest, but again, this is just an experiment and this is me learning and playing. So it's time to scoop it up. This might be a bit messy. I probably should have practiced it a bit more. Now I have done texture flowers before, but the petals were picked up in a very different way to this. So I just scooped it up and kind of scraped the sides to create this mound on the back of my palette knife, and I'm simply pressing down onto my canvas. And yes, it does look a little bit messy, doesn't it? But I'm completely happy with that. I think it gives it kind of rustic look at this point. And with more practice, I imagine I should get better at this. But right now, I think I'm quite happy with how this actually turns out, which you'll see later. I'm using my finger there to smooth it out a little bit. It is quite a sticky gel gloss, I found. So not like some of the texture paste that you can purchase. Very, very sticky and it sticks to the palette knife, hence why the leaves look like this. I still like it though, like I said, it's quite rustic. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of this. I'm going to mix my petal colour up as well. It's going to be vermilion from Amsterdam, and I'll mix that in the same way in with the gel gloss, and then hopefully you'll sit back and enjoy watching the rest of this while I play some music for you. Also, thank you for being here, I really appreciate it. And just quickly before I play some music, I just want to say that I'm collaborating with my wonderful friend Betty from Oak by Betina. She was one of the ladies that actually found me when my channel was almost non-existent when I started, and she gave me a shout out on her video, after which many people joined and subscribed to my channel, so I am indebted to her. She's a lovely lady, she's amazing at texture art. Please check out her channel after me and check out the playlist down below as well if you can't find it. And right after me, it should ideally redirect to her video as well, so leave her a comment and show us some love. Thank you so much.
This old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. You pull me in. Your sweet allure, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk away, but your hold on me won't give away. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. You pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. You pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. You pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you. You pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me Oh, the lilacs know drifting down so soft and slow. Outside my window, I watch it go. Oh, the lilac snow. And though the world may seem so still, it's coming in a distant chill, with the memories of winters past, of the ones I wish would have lasted. Oh, the lilac snow tells secrets of long ago, of carol song, of gifts.
So my friends, that's my little experimental piece done with golden gel gloss. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And up after me is the wonderful Betty from Oak by Betina. So let's go over to her channel and check what she's done.